Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Good afternoon, everyone. I am Manikanda from Team 4. My team members is 4534, 4535, 4537, 4527, 4521. 4534. My first priority is placement, gate, second priority gates, third priority is certificates. I have 0 backlogs. 4534. He was
No gate last time.
He was 3 backlogs and first priority is WL, second priority is gates, third priority is placement, fourth priority is certificates and projects. 4537. He was 4 backlogs. First priority is WL, second priority is placement, and third priority is certificates and projects. Fourth priority is gate. He was 3 backlogs. First priority WL, second priority placement, third priority gate, fourth priority certificate and projects.